You know that feeling when you're sitting in a budget meeting, you show off a 20% increase in traffic, and the only question you get back is, but how much money did that actually make us? If you don't have an answer, it's not always because your marketing isn't working. It's often because your tracking isn't working. You might be doing everything right. You've got the ads, the content, the traffic. But without a proper way to track revenue from marketing, you won't be able to tell anyone which campaigns are helping you pay the bills.
What do you mean you don't know?
Reality check. Most data dies in the handoff.
Oh.
Yeah. Often, marketing brings in a lead, sales closes a deal, and those things are reported separately, in silos, robbing everyone of the ability to make more informed decisions and see what actually has a positive ROI. We live and breathe data-powered strategies, and from our experience, fixing this problem often comes down to 3 things. Making sure your data is being gathered, stored, and organized properly, aka nothing is broken or overwriting something else. Connecting offline data back to your digital tools, like using a call tracking platform to log and transcribe calls from leads and customers, and pulling key sales, marketing, operations, and other revenue metrics into one central dashboard for a more holistic view of your strategy.
I like the way that sounds.
So do I. When you do these 3 things, you can follow a lead from the moment they land on your website to when that deal closes, and even see additional purchases they make with your company. These insights can help your marketing team understand what characteristics make a great lead, which is one that sticks around as a customer, and they'll learn how best to reach those people. A tool like our Revenue Cloud FX platform can pull your information together and serve as a single source of truth for your company. So when you use data to connect marketing spend to revenue, you make it possible to prove how your work is impacting your company's bottom line. Now, how about the Shears budget?
Approved. Keep up the good work.